Welcome to Devices Help and Support, your ultimate destination for all things related to the device's setup, troubleshooting and optimizing your tech experiences. Are you guys struggling with weak Wi-Fi signals? Don't be panic. Today we will solve your problem in just few minutes. So in today's video we will discuss how to set up MERCUSYS MR47BE dual-band Wi-Fi router. If you're looking for the best Wi-Fi extender that easily extend your home Wi-Fi, then this video is specially made for you. Basically, MERCUSYS MR47BE Router is a high-speed dual-band Wi-Fi router designed to provide fast, stable, and wide wireless coverage for homes and small offices. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. I hope in the end, this video will prove helpful. Firstly, we will unbox the router box. Inside the MERCUSYS MR47BE router box, you typically get the MR47BE Wi-Fi 7 router, a power adapter, an RJ45 Ethernet cable, and a quick installation guide. Everything needed for a fast and easy router setup is included, so you can get your internet running quickly. Now turn off your modem. Connect the modem to the WAN Internet port of the MR47BE using an Ethernet cable. Plug in the power adapter and turn on the router. Wait about 2 minutes for the router to boot fully. Connect to the router, Wi-Fi or LAN. You can connect using via Wi-Fi. Check the default Wi-Fi name, SSID, password printed on the router label. Connect your phone/laptop to that Wi-Fi network. Via LAN, connect your PC to the router using a LAN cable. Launch a web browser and enter http://mwlogin.net in the address bar. You'll be prompted to create a login password, if it's the first time, or enter the password you previously set. The router will ask for your connection type. Choose the correct one. First is Dynamic IP, DHCP, most common, GeoFiber, Airtel, ACT, BSNL FTTH. Second one is PPPoE, requires username password, provided by ISP. And the last one is Static IP, enter IP details given by ISP. Click Next. You can set 2.4 GHz 5 GHz Wi-Fi networks. Choose a Wi-Fi name, SSID, create a strong Wi-Fi password. You can keep same name for both bands or separate them. Click Next/Save. Router will reboot. Reconnect your phone/laptop to the new Wi-Fi name you created. Setup complete. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. In case you face any type of difficulty, you are free to contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. Our experts team will always guide you. Thank you so much to watching our video. And lastly, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel Devices Help and Support. Stay tuned for more updates.